I'm over here at my brother's today. You see his truck back here in the background. I'm over here to show you exactly what he did with his Crown Vic swap, some of the stuff he did with his dash, and give you a little bit of detail. Here's the truck. I've had some people asking about what he did on his dash. Okay, on his dash, this right here is just a piece of aluminum that he cut to cover up all where all those holes were. And right there, he still hasn't got the cover on for his steering column, but that's the little bracket he made from the dash. And of course, there's all the air out of the Crown Victoria. And then right here on his light switch, he just made the light switch right here mounted to the bottom of the dash. And there's all your instruments using the factory bezel. On the fuel tank, rather than what a lot of people do, putting that fuel tank right there, he's got the tank in the back. He used a 67, 68 Mustang style tank. And on his rear end, he did a flip kit. He put the rear end on top of the leaf springs and then make a new hanger or mount there for it. So that's what he's done on that. And this is still the 4.9-inch. It's just got adapters to adapt it down to 5x4.5. The wheels are off a 2013, I believe, Mustang GT. And there's where he bolted up his sway bar, his air conditioner he put right there on the outside of the frame, all the wiring which runs through the firewall and up through the bottom of that channel in the inner fenders. And the bracket right there for your radiator and stuff. Okay, under here he's got the battery tray bolted to your stock inner fenders. Of course, all your electronics as well, which is bolted to your battery tray. There's the box. The firewall on this, he's actually notched it a little bit and then notched it again right there. And then over there is where the computer goes in. And you got your cruise control, all your wiring, changed out the brake booster and reservoir. And then on your clearance, go down there and look, clearance for your headers. And while that's what he's done, he went ahead and just cut that off. And that's the bracket he's made for the rear control arm. A little bit better there, you can see. And on this side, you got everything that was on the other one, along with your hydro boost, if you can see it right there. All the braking. There's plenty of room. And there's that side. You can see the exhaust run back to the duals. It's also using the aluminum drive shaft. But that's it. That's the truck. I also have another video, which I will put at the very end of this video at the top right corner, of my reaction to driving this truck and what I think about doing the Crown Vic swap. And you can watch that video. I also have videos of the truck whenever he first started working on it. So for more videos, hit that subscribe and like button and the little bell up there at the top. And you can see projects like this from what my brother's doing. You can also, if you like stuff like this or 67 Mustangs, you can check his channel out at Mr. Gone in 60. But check out some other videos. We're going to do a Coyote swap on my 66 Ford. And you can check out my dad's Coyote Swap 67 Fastback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.